Summer is not over yet, which means that we still have time to enjoy fresh vegetables and prepare them in a variety of ways. Today's recipe is a quick and easy pasta salad that will only take 20 minutes to prepare. So let me show you how to make it. Today I am using dmBio products to prepare this healthy and delicious recipe. Please remember that dmBio products came from controlled, organic and sustainable production. These products will help you on your way to conscious and conscientious eating and in everyday preparation of healthy meals. Firstly, put the water in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Add the pasta fusilli to cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. In the meantime, chop the boiled chicken breasts and place it in a bowl. Chop the red onion into small pieces. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Chop the avocado into small cubes and finally chop the parsley. Add all the ingredients in a same bowl. Add the cubed mozzarella and corn into the bowl and stir until well combined. When the pasta is ready, drain it, let it cool for 5 minutes and add to the bowl with all the other ingredients. To prepare the dressing, add the olive oil, mustard, balsamic vinegar, Tuscany spread, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. Mix in with a fork or spoon until all the ingredients are combined and transfer the dressing to the bowl with the pasta and other ingredients. Mix it well and serve. I hope you will prepare this quick, flavorful dish, which is a great option for a delicious lunch or dinner dish, when you don't want to spend hours in the kitchen but still prepare something healthy and tasty. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking, until the next time.